Come with me to Beauty Play in Hongdae for a free color analysis and skin analysis. They are located in Hongdae, just a 12-minute walk from Hongdae Station or Hongdae University Station, so super convenient if you're already exploring the area. Please take note pala na they are located in the second floor, just in case hindi nyo makita agad yung place. Hi Melivers, let's discuss how our visit went through. Upon arrival, nag-register muna kami, then they gave us a number for the skin analysis. Since may waiting time pa around 30 minutes, we decided to try the color analysis muna. Yung color analysis nila is machine-based and self-service. You just need to follow the instructions on the screen. Then it scans your skin automatically and it analyzes your natural skin tone, your undertone, if you're warm, cool, or neutral, anong color season ka, and even which makeup shades bagay sa'yo, just like this one. Nakalagay na yung brand ng makeup and the corresponding shade mo sa exact product na yon. Then, for skin analysis, when it was my turn, nag-buzz lang yung number ko and then umakit na ako sa taas. Here naman may mag-a-assist sa'yo to interpret the results. May skin diagnostic machine sila that checks your hydration level, your oil level, your pores, pigmentation, wrinkles, and overall skin condition. Makikita mo talaga sa screen yung condition ng skin mo. Medyo nakakakaba pero super helpful. After ng results, they explain everything and recommend what to look for on products na you need based on your actual skin type. It's really better if magsa-skin analysis muna kayo and magko-color analysis muna kayo before kayo mag-shopping for clothes and before kayo mag-shopping for skincare and makeup, kasi at least alam mo na kung anong kulay ba yung babagay sa'yo. And when it comes to skincare, para hindi tayo nanghuhula kung itong product na ba to is for us. Kasi baka naman mamaya bili tayo ng bili ng mga skincare, yun pala hindi naman yun yung kailangan ng skin natin. And that's my beauty play experience. From color analysis to skin analysis, ang dami kong natutunan about my own skin. Plus, they also give free product samples. All you have to do is follow yung IG page or TikTok page ng specific brand. Then you can get samples after your session. May makeup area din sila that you can use after the analysis, and ang dami rin nilang skincare products that you can try on the spot. We actually did our makeup here before kami umalis, so ready na ulit for the photos and lakad after. Important tip lang pala Melivers, make sure na wala kayong makeup before you go here, especially for the skin analysis para accurate talaga yung results. If you're coming to Hongdae, definitely add this to your itinerary. Thank you, Melivers.